Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of a HP monitor, and we have bought it directly from the HP company. So let's open this now. And it is a gaming monitor, and it is X24ih FHD gaming monitor. The packaging of this product is very good. So this is the power cable, this is the stand, this is the HDMI cable, this is the warranty card and manual, and this is the full stand. This is the full stand, and this is the monitor. And the length of this is 23.8 inch. So now we are going to set up this, and we are going to show you.
So we are going to install the monitor. Instruction already provided on the box, as you can see. So we already opened the monitor, and we are going to install the base first. Okay, so the base to install, just to put in here. Okay, and there is a screw we have to tighten, then we can stand like that. So let me tighten this one. So I already tightened this base just to tight from here, and this is fixed. The quality of the base is very nice, stand is very good, plastic quality is good. Okay, so now I am going to install the monitor on this. Okay, bring the monitor. So at the back side you can see there is a one power cord extension, and another two HDMI port, and this is the base where we have to fit the stand, and there are some sort of buttons also here at the back panel. So when we open this monitor, I'll show you the function of this one. So there is a power LED also showing here, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to install this monitor and we will show you the functions. So we are going to install this base in the monitor at backside. So it's very easy, there is no screwdriver or anything to fit in this one. Just put in here, there is a lock, we have to lock from here. So just push it here and this is done. We already lock it. So it is locked, see, easily. It's not too much tough. So now time to turn on the monitor and we'll see the all functions. So guys, we already installed the monitor and connected back to our laptop with the HDMI cable, and there are two ports available in this monitor and the power cable connected, see. And one thing or more, that there's an audio port. If you want to install an external speaker with this monitor, then you can install it. Otherwise it does not have any speaker or camera like we know, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the video how it looks like, the quality of the video in this monitor. So I'll just so you can see the quality of the video, how it looks like. Okay, so this is a 23.8-inch HP monitor, and all details about this monitor I'll provide in the descriptions, from where you can buy from Amazon as well as from HP site. This monitor cost to me around 15,999 because I have one of the friend in HP. That is the reason I got some discount there. So he used his employee benefit. There are some sort of buttons also available in below the panels. So see, we can do the settings, brightness, color quality and everything. If we are playing a game, so according to, we can do the settings like gaming color, okay, inputs, output, power, menu management and everything are there. So according to our requirement we can set the monitors settings. So that's all for now. I'll come back with this what is my experience with this monitor, and yeah, see you for the next video. Thank you.
And please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. And I like this product a lot and I recommend you to buy this product. Thank you and bye.